Hi everyone, I'm here to share some cards and things that I got from in the mail and also from family and friends. So I have two Christmas cards, and most all this mail was either given to me since Sunday or came in the mail yesterday. I think one of them came a little earlier than Sunday, but this is from Linnea Burr. She watches my channel among others, and she is in all, I think all, well, 3 of my 4 collabs starting in January, not the jewelry one, but the other paper crafting ones and embellishments and stickers. She's only on Instagram, not on YouTube, but it's LYNNEABERR. You should look her up. She's a great card maker and things. She likes to make embellishments, and it was her idea actually for embellishments on the 11th, and I think maybe even the sticker one too. So thank you, Linnea. Look how cute this card is. Look, it's got a little honey pot here and donuts and little Christmas cookies. These are Christmas cookies, sorry. And holly berries and peppermints and candy canes and gingerbread people. Just super cute. And there's Santa and the elves. And I think I can share. She wrote, Deb and Callie, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Choose joy. Linnea and Finn. Finn is her, I think he's a terrier. I'm so bad. I know he is, but I don't remember which type. I want to say Scottish Terrier, but if I'm wrong, sorry, Linnea. And of course, Callie's my cat. So that was really sweet of her to send that. And it's on craft paper. And it's in a craft envelope, which I'll show you the back. But I'm not going to show you the front because it's got addresses and things on. So then the next one I got was from Left-Handed Crafter. And it's another holiday card. But look how cool this is. Isn't that sweet? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And it's paper pieced. It opens up here at the tree, which I think is really cool too. And so the tree is glued on, and then the truck over it, and then the wheels in this. I have not seen this. This must be one of those Sizzix Bigs dies or something. I don't know. It's really cool though. And inside she wrote, Happy Holidays from my family to yours. Hugs, Brandy. So thank you so much, Brandy. That is so cool. I have never seen that truck and tree. I have, you know, the miniature version from Stampin' Up, but not this big one. So that was really cool. So that's Left-Handed Crafter, everyone. Be sure to go check her out. Also, she is here on YouTube and in all of my collabs. Now, the next 2 are from my grandgirls. This one is from Haley, who is 7. She hand drew it, I think, with markers. And this is a catterfly. Cat plus butterfly equals catterfly. See, here's the cat, the little antennae, and the butterflies, because she knows I like cats and butterflies. And she wrote, oh, she put a big heart in here. How cute. Dear Grandmom, wishing you a happy birthday and a fun day. To a star, Grandmom. Lots of love, Haley. Isn't that sweet? I just thought that was adorable. So yeah, catterfly. And then my 15-year-old granddaughter made me this one. She made a spinner card, and she's got it popped up on dimensionals. So it says, it's your B-Day. And it does spin. I might not have had it wound up enough. And then it says, let's celebrate. Grandmom, happy birthday, love, Courtney. So thank you, Courtney. Okay. And then my friend Sue gave me this one. Birthdays coming, birthdays go. But good friends stay forever. Thanks for being one of the best. Love, Sue. These beautiful hot air balloons with gold foiling and embossed with bling on them. Really pretty. Okay, that's from Sue, who I got that yesterday. Yes, yesterday when I went to breakfast with her. This was from another friend, Charlie. So I thought that was sweet. And it just says, thinking of all the sweet things you do and wishing you a day that you'll enjoy so very much. Happy birthday. Thank you, Charlie. Don't think he watches my channel, but that's fine. And then this one is from my cousin Craig, who's always very thoughtful about sending cards out. Oops, let me put the address thing over. And look at the back of the envelope. Isn't that cool? And this, I think, yeah, Lean and Tree, made in the USA, Oakland Gallery. It's called Brandy Lane by Sandy Bergeron, oil painting, 20 inch by 30 inch. And then it's got a whole paragraph on Sandy. And apparently it's from original art by her. And let's see, she was intrigued to recreate the pastoral scenes inspired by her English and Scottish ancestry. Beautiful. Love that. Just gorgeous. I love the way English cottages look and things. It's like the little bridge and the creek and everything. It's just gorgeous. I'm not going to open it because it's got something in there I don't want to lose. And then this birthday card, this next one, came to me from a fellow Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who's in Dina's team. Look how this is made. I need to try this technique soon. I don't know if I can do it, but it basically looks like you stamp it onto the background paper and then you stamp it again and cut it, raise it up onto other pieces, but you line it up so that the flower or whatever it is, the image, lines up with the one underneath it. I love that. That is so cool. Yeah, see, you can see the stems coming out the bottom here, and it says birthday wishes. And this is from Joanne. I won't say last names. It's just got a flourish down the bottom there. So pretty. And I believe that is Pool Party. Pretty sure. And then she had this over it just to, it's probably retired paper or something, it just to make sure it didn't go through the envelope, which is a nice idea to do. And then the next one is another fellow demonstrator. This is the last one. This is from Joe. Hi Joe. Thank you also. And look, she's got this all stamped out, and I can't remember. This looks like the Daisy set. And this looks like cherry cobbler maybe. But I think this is real red ribbon. It says for you, and she's got the bling. Now I will say, each of those blings popped through this envelope. They were shining through. So they were blinging out the mail, people. See? So you do have to be careful. Maybe put a piece of, I don't know, foam or something in there so it doesn't pop through again. That one. There we go. Okay, so, and she doesn't have anything. She has a note on the inside. So she was just wishing me a happy birthday and an awesome day. Thank you very much. And everyone, due to you and my family and friends, I had 2 awesome days for a birthday this year because my birthday fell on a Sunday. So we celebrated on Sunday at my daughter's house, and my son helped me with some things on my birthday and gave me a present as well, and cooked dinner for me. So it was nice. And my daughter cooked a nice lunch for me. Despite having some things going on at her house that day, I felt so bad. Anyway, it was a wonderful 2-day birthday celebration. Thank you all so much, and thank you to the ladies who sent the holiday Christmas cards. I enjoyed them as well. And as I told Left-Handed Crafter, I kind of celebrate the holidays till mid-January. I don't take my tree down till mid-January because I always wait till my birthday is over. And then maybe a week after that is when I stop and take the tree down. And also, we really haven't had snow during this holiday season, so we're supposed to get a little bit tonight, which is bad timing, but I'm also kind of looking forward to it, to have the Christmas tree lights in the living room on against the background of the snow outside in the window. So yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to it for that reason only. And then probably this coming weekend we'll take the tree down, which isn't quite mid-January, but oh well, this weekend or next weekend it'll come down. So thank you so much for watching. I'll let you go. I have a wonderful day.